It is 4th of July weekend, and we are undertaking our large garden project for the year. We are augmenting the garden soil with all of that dirt back there. I really hope you can hear me. That is the bird box from the blueberry field, which is awesome. We are trying to augment this garden soil and really just rework this entire space. We have started taking down the wood fence over here. I realized I hadn't videoed any of it, so I'm going to start videoing. I'll also pop a video up here to show you how much water we get in that area. We are about to leave for a cruise in a couple of days. I didn't want to miss my opportunity to show how flooded this area gets, because I know we're going to be doing a lot of projects back here this year because we will be amending the soil for the garden with that pile of dirt. But you can see how bad the water is in this area. You can see that the tractor got stuck here and spun out, created these nice giant grooves. That happened just yesterday. Ian got some eyebrows on that one. You can see like it's practically a pond. Not practically, it is. Yeah, we're gonna add a drain that goes out to the front ditch to try and correct that. Ian is making voices and crude gestures as I try to record this. Where is he? Where is he? He's gonna pop up. There he is! So let's go get started. Our patio is really quite stuffed full because we have dug out several of the plants that were back there to make it easier to use a bulldozer because it's 9 feet wide. So I'm stepping over a lot of plants constantly. Look at all my plants that we dug up. Some of these were already in pots, but some of them are like this Rose of Sharon, blueberries, those were all in the ground and now they're in pots. So thoughts and prayers for my little plants. So just put them in the bucket. Hi. There's one down. Yep. You went down lower. It's right here. It's this. Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
They buried rocks. We're so grateful for that. This one.
Yeah, I think those can be dug out more.
Oh, there's stuff down here. There we go.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
There we go. We've already had the topic of you not liking me using tools.
It may be pretty.
One more. Not that it matters. We don't have a fence here anymore.
Just stab around with the shovel and see if there's anything else hiding down there. Yes, that is where we are storing the rocks for now. So I don't want to get rid of them. I might want to use them later, but my gosh, I don't know where else to put them. Ready for this? If you recall, last year I put up this fence after taking down this one, and it was to save the arborvitae from being eaten by the sheep. Well, now we are taking down a portion of that fence and a portion of this back fence in order to spread the dirt most effectively when we get the bulldozer on next Saturday. Now you get to watch me undo my work, which is kind of typical in how I garden. Do some work, undo some work. Let's go. I don't have my trusty dusty Home Depot bucket. Oh, the hose is through this one. You know, our sheep are not doing perimeter jobs very well. winter's being bad, and the sheep are at their little sheepy buffet. Look at this. They like to eat our burn pile. We call it the sheep buffet. We only put things back here that they can have. I don't have anything for you except love. I have love. Yes. Oh, Bayferton, going to take out my camera. I was a little scared for a second. Yikes. I did a good job. He can't get that post out. Haha. Did I do a good job? I did it when it was this hard. Butcher, go. I see you. Go.
You probably won't reuse that one.
You made me use this one. You made me use this. It was horrible. Go, little Beagle. You shall not pass. Puppies in the shade. Yay. That's another way to do it. Those posts are so rotted. Did it just like rot right off? Do you want me to get the shovel? Do you want to try and lift that one? You can probably lift these. Sadie, come on, come on. You might want to lift that one. And for anyone who's wondering, Sadie's tail is looking funky and sad because she has, I think it was called climber's tail. So she strained her tail. She's such a happy dog. But she overused it.
This is why you can't be outside when I'm using the tractor.
Walter has. Our dogs have no trust issues, clearly.
Just like this Beagle.
I prefer him to have no trust issues.
I just pulled it out by hand.
Oh, nice. That is a fearless Beagle.
Concrete on this one.
Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason.
Just one random post with concrete, but why not?
Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 of the video, but day 4 for us on this project, and we are going to rototill today. So I have unhappy sheep who are being kept in the small side of the field because there is no fencing back there. As you saw, we took it down yesterday. So today we're going to rototill and get the grass and turf broken up a little bit to get ready for adding all of the soil next weekend, or I guess this weekend because technically it's Monday, it's July 4th. So let's get started. Hard to get this looking nice. I'll insert a photo here to remind you of what it looked like when we moved in, and we worked so hard. We mowed and we overseeded and we dethatched, and now it's all being torn up for a good cause. I mean, I think long term this is going to be a phenomenal space, but oh, the transition period is always a little bit difficult because it never looks good. Oh. Goodbye, garden bed. Oh my gosh, I worked so hard to clear that. It's worth it, but it's also a little sad. Big change is often mixed feelings. Excitement, sadness over what's going away. And he's rototilling the clover cover crop. I'll post that up in the corner if you want to see that video. It didn't really do anything for the winter, but it did help during the summer, I think. Goodbye, grass.
clean to rototill, and then we'll go over it multiple times. And I lost a flower. One of my dianthus fell off from the rototiller, but not bad. Of all the casualties, a little dianthus flower head isn't a bad situation. Last strip. Ah! Picks up and just like comes smashing into the camera lens. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I lied, we have one more patch of grass. I forgot to film an intro for this day of work, and then I kind of forgot to film this day of work. So this is the intro for the 5th day of this project, what feels like the 500th day of this project. We started doing the bulldozer work today and we got a lot of the dirt spread, and so that is what you are about to see. I am also a hot mess this whole weekend because apparently I lost the quick release plate for my camera's tripod, or the new tripod, the one that's sturdier and taller. So I'm back to using my old tripod that's a lot shorter, so I have to hold it at an angle. It's a hot mess weekend. So anyway, I am just letting you know that this is day 5 that you're about to watch of the bulldozer spreading dirt, and I will show you all of that, and then I'll probably pop back on here later to show you what this day 6, we're actually day 6, what work we're doing today and hopefully finishing up, and I'll show you the finished product. I mean, obviously the garden isn't finished, but it's the finished dirt spreading project. All right, let's get started. Let's go. All of the blackberries are gone. I'm so excited. I mean, we still have to chomp them up, probably with some type of mower, because there's still a lot of sticks, but oh my gosh. And there's the bird box. But we'll plant trees here, and in 10 years, we won't have to listen to that bird box. Patience is a virtue. We're playing the long game here. All right, I don't have my tripod, so I'm actually just holding my camera with my hand, and hopefully this turns out, but I wanted to wrap up this video really quick before going inside. You can see Ian behind me is still doing some work on the bulldozer before they come pick it up tomorrow. We've gotten most of it done, and I'm really happy with the progress. Of course, it doesn't look very pretty because it doesn't have green grass and everything like that, but it's a work in progress, and I'm very happy with the stage we're at now. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down below, subscribe for more like it. Let me know in the comments section any big garden projects that you're doing this year. And until next time, I'm gonna go in, get cleaned up. I'm covered in sweat and dirt and sunscreen, and it's just not pretty. I am sure this is not gonna be the best looking video I've ever made, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. and I'm gonna go in and retreat from that bird speaker and go watch some Stranger Things. I've already seen the 4th season in total, but Ian has not, so we are going to catch him up because it's too good not to share. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Wait, wait, wait. Are you thinking, why isn't she on the bulldozer? Let me just try.
It's hard.
Let me just try.
Demonstrate core tool usage. What?
We're videoing this.
Damn right we are. Put this on OnlyFans. Hey there.
They are, our neighbors are right there. Look at the barrow and the clover. Look at Bean. He's like, oh yeah. It's gonna be so sad for so long. That is loud, so loud. I'm curious how it's gonna come out on the video.
Talk about it.
I'll be like, Scott from Bush. The bucket's over in the mosquito pit. It won't come off. Some? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so close. Yeah. It took me a second, okay?
You're not gonna be like, wait.
Maybe, maybe not. I am not sitting in your lap. I am not sitting in your lap.
Come on.
No, I'm a full-grown woman. I'm just getting establishing shots.
Oh my God, are we gonna get anything done this evening?
Maybe. We'll see.
You want me to just hold the camera?
No, because you don't know what I want. All right, get down. I can't properly do it with you up here. Get down, get down, get down.
Okay, if anything goes wrong,
Break.
break.
Well, it's the only pedal. It's fine. Go.
Get in.
Get down.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh my God. I have that on video. That bird box has impeccable timing. All right, we're gonna go for it and hope the audio is okay.